We're out here today in Western Nevada. We're up on a roof that we treated 3.5 years ago. Talking with the owner, says that he hasn't had too many granulars. He used to get a lot of them. He's been real happy with the results, so we thought we'd jump up here real quick and take a look around at some of the granular retention and the flexibility of the shingles. And we come down here and we rub our hands across the shingles. We're not getting any granulars. Usually if you would do something like this, you'd get granulars dislodged. As you can see, this shingle is real flexible. It's not cracking, bending. I'm able to do all kinds of stuff with it. And I didn't dislodge a whole bunch of granulars doing that. When we first did this roof, if you did a flexibility like that, you would have probably broke that shingle and a whole bunch of granulars would have came off. Looking at rubbing your hands across the shingles, you're not getting a bunch of granulars loose. See if we can get right here. Taking this shingle and we were able to take this shingle and completely bend it. This roof is about 15 years old when we treated it. So this roof is definitely going to get 2 to 3 treatments. And we're actually holding this roof where it was when we came out here 3.5 years ago. So another 1.5 years, we'll come back, treat it again. The owner is actually really super excited about that because he doesn't want to end up replacing this roof.